This is super cute. Isn't this nice?
Stay with Daddy. Stay with Daddy. Stay with Daddy. Train schedule.
Okay, that's a good look.
Yeah, baby, we got something going on over here.
Where's this place called?
North Carolina Arboretum.
Oh, let's see here. Oh, that's cute.
Baby, they have motorized trains in there. They run some of these. Yep.
Super cute, a little mini village.
Baby, we need attention when you get sick.
Very cute.
Stay with us. Love you too. Stay with us, girl. I bet you want kids.